Okay then guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the username on your Instagram account on your iPhone in 2024. So let's just get started with it right now. And first what you have to do is to open up the Instagram like this and click on the bottom icon on the right, which is essentially going to get you to your profile. Now, as you're in here, we basically want to make sure that you are on the current or on the correct profile, because of course if you want to change it you have to be logged in with this specific one, as I am with the Foxtecc. So what I have to do is to click on edit profile right here, and a couple of different things show up. So there's the name and there is the username. As you know, there's a difference between those. I believe that there is a limit on how many times during a certain period of time you can actually change the name as well as username, but I believe that it's a bit stricter on the username, as it's something that is universal. It is your name which belongs to you, so yeah, it should be probably this way. Anyways, you have to just click here. It will get you over to this page and you can try if the username is actually available, the one that you're interested in. Because for example, I have the Foxtecc _, and if I remove that, I might decide that I just want to have it without it, but when I hit it done, it tells me that it is not available. I have to try a different one. I cannot change to whatever you want because it is unique to users. So you have to make sure that the username is actually available before you want to get one. But this is essentially how it works, and this is how you can change it on your iPhone. If anything goes wrong and you don't have some of the features which are available on Instagram, just look it up inside of the App Store. Make sure that you update to the latest version and try it out the next time. Also, before we wrap up, I need to show you the Foxtecc educational platform, which is going to be linked down below in the description. It is free to join, and there you can watch courses and read through some of the posts and some interesting stuff which I added there. I'm not really active there, but it's free to join and I plan on adding more. So yeah, I'm just honest with you. This is how it works. For now, thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later in the next video.